Hello everybody today, we're YouTubers, starting with our own channel. Today we're going to be taking this big bad boy apart. I might have to run get some parts every once in a while, maybe not. So first off, you gotta take this off, hit the chassis, beating the shit out of this thing, please. Well, we're gonna take her all apart, get some new gears, and maybe even a new engine. Nice blood brushless engine, kind of put any videos on YouTube about it. ESC got pretty beat up too, as you can tell. Bottom's all ripped up. Take the baby on those, it doesn't work. First off, let's start by taking off the differentials. Screwdrivers, everybody knows about it. Portable drills and stuff like that. First off, take off all the screws off of this. You want to see it? I'll show you later. Gonna make this all plain fast. Make sure you're able to strip out all the screws. That'd be the next thing you gotta do. You've got to do all the things. Start on something all back together, all that kind of thing. So you guys don't have to worry about feeding them all. Probably making some things as well as we're going on. Got the right one now. You get started, see what I do.